Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 1.7 and the question is solve these word problems. And the first one is the height of 10 boys is given in centimeter. The height is given in centimeter and you have to find out what is the average height. 10 boys की आपको height given है, आपको average height find करनी है. So how to do? First of all write down the formula. Average equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observation. So children, write down all the given heights and divide by 10 because height of 10 boys is given. So write down 10. When you add all these numbers, you get 1421. 1421 divided by 10, the value comes as there is 1 0 in denominator, the decimal will shift one place towards left. One place towards left, the decimal will come here and the answer will be 142.1 centimeter. So the average height of 10 boys is 142.1 centimeter. Now the second is the ages of 10 children who joined the skating camp were 6 years, 6 years, 9 years, 8 years, 7 years, 11 years, 9 years, 7 years, 10 years, 8 years. Find the average age. इन 10 चिल्ड्रन की एवरेज एज आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है जो स्केटिंग कैंप जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? एवरेज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो राइट डाउन ऑल द गिवन एजेस एंड डिवाइड बाय 10 because the age of 10 children is given. So write down all the numbers, add them. When you add, you get 81. 81 upon 10 and the answer is 8.1 years. Therefore, the average age of 10 children who joined skating camp is 8.1 years. Now, question 3 is find the average savings per month if the yearly savings of Rohit is rupees 1,08,000. Children, आपको average savings per month find out करनी है. If the yearly savings are 1,08,000. 1 year equal to 12 months we know. So yearly savings are given as 1,08,000. So find out average. Write down the formula. Average equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observations. Yearly savings are 1,08,000 and number of months in a year are 12. So 1,08,000 divided by 12 we get rupees 9,000. Therefore Rohit's per month average savings are rupees 9,000. Now question 4 is the sum of 7 numbers is 497. What is their average? Sum of 7 numbers is already given as 497. आपको उसका average find out करना है. So write down the formula. Average equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observation. The sum is given as 497. The number of observations are 7. When you divide these two, you get 71. Therefore, the average of 7 numbers is 71. Now, question 5 is, the average weight of 7 girls is 45. If one more girl is included, the average becomes 43 kg. What is the weight of the included girl? So, children, understand this question. Average weight of 7 girls is given as 45 kg. 7 girls का average weight है 45 kg. एक गर्ल को और इंक्लूड कर लिया, मीन्स 8 गर्ल्स का जो एवरेज वेट हो गया अब 43 kg. सो व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ द इंक्लूडेड गर्ल? जो नई गर्ल आई जिसको हमने इंक्लूड किया उसका वेट हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ टू डू? नाउ राइट डाउन द एवरेज वेट ऑफ 7 गर्ल्स, दैट इज 45 kg. Now find out total weight of 7 girls. 45 into 7 equal to 315 kg. So the total weight of 7 girls is 315 kg. Now the average weight of 8 girls including new girl is 43 kg. The total weight of 8 girls is 43 into 8 equal to 344 kg. 8 गर्ल्स का आप टोटल वेट कितना हो गया? 344 kg. So to find out the weight of the 8th girl, what we will do? We will subtract these two numbers. What we will do? We will subtract these two numbers, 344 kg minus 315 kg. 344 kg minus 315 kg, that comes to 29 kg. Therefore, the weight of 8th girl is 29 kg. इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर हमको क्या मिला? 29 kg. दैट इज द वेट ऑफ द 8th girl that we have included in the observations. Now 6th part is the average rainfall for 3 months is 12 centimeter. If the rainfall for the first 2 months is 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively, find the rainfall for the 3rd month. चिल्ड्रन, आपको 3 मंथ्स का एवरेज रेनफॉल गिवन है 12 सेंटीमीटर और 2 मंथ्स का, फर्स्ट 2 मंथ्स का रेनफॉल है 13 सेंटीमीटर एंड 15 सेंटीमीटर. आपको 3rd मंथ का रेनफॉल फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ टू डू? सो राइट डाउन द एवरेज रेनफॉल फॉर 3 मंथ्स इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड आउट टोटल रेनफॉल फॉर 3 मंथ्स. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. 12 centimeter multiplied by 3 comes to 36 centimeter. Total rainfall for 3 months is 36 centimeter. The rainfall for first 2 months given as 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Add these two. That comes to 28 centimeter. 2 months का rainfall कितना है? 28 centimeter. And total rainfall for 3 months है 36 centimeter. How to find out the rainfall for the 3rd month? You will subtract these two numbers, 36 centimeter minus 28 centimeter. That comes to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the rainfall for the 3rd month is 8 centimeter. 3rd month का जो rainfall था वो कितना था? 8 centimeter. Hope all questions are clear to you. That's all for today. Bye bye.